Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for March 14, 2019. Today we're looking at the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Starting here on the daily time frame, we could see for quite a long time, going all the way back to late October, early November of 2018, we've been in somewhat of a range here, the black box that you see here on the chart. For the most part, much of the price action has been held within that range here for the New Zealand dollar. We do see a couple of times above the range, the two black circles up here at the top. We do see the one instance where the market got significantly below the range, but again, for the most part, the market has been held within here. You look at the blue circles on the left-hand side, the yellow shaded area showing resistance on the left-hand side of the chart. And really, I could take another one and draw it out right here. We can see resistance into the yellow zone, and even over the past 3 days we've seen the market test into the 0.6870 level once again and falling off. Well, historically, if we go back along the range since November, every time it's touched that yellow zone, with the exception of the two times here with the black circles, majority of the time statistical, that the market finds resistance and reverses and goes down to much lower levels, the blue, the orange, or maybe even the pink shaded area down here towards the bottom of the range. So with that being said, we've come off the top and falling back underneath what was support yesterday, now going to act as our resistance, the green shaded area. Let's go ahead and zoom it in a couple of times. There it is. So we can see the market touching the yellow zone yesterday, finding support here. Now we're underneath that green zone. So for the day today, what we're looking at is a potential breakout under the green zone and a continuation down to the blue zone, or maybe even all the way down to the lower orange shaded area, or maybe even the pink zone. But we're looking for a breakout scenario underneath 68.25, and at that point the risk is that it gets back above the green zone. Once it gets back underneath, we don't want it to get back above. A couple examples here make more sense when we get down to the 4-hour time frame. These little black circles or ovals right here will make much more sense when we get down to the 4-hour time frame, but we'll take a look back there. Breaking the green zone, heading down to the blue zone is the main objective for the day today on the New Zealand dollar. Let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame. Zoom it out a little bit so we can see that there it is. So right there where we see the market coming off of the yellow zone, breaking underneath the green zone, and heading to the blue zone and the orange zone. That's really what we're looking for. We're looking for that breakout scenario, similar to what you see back here where the black circles are. We're getting underneath, testing underneath it as resistance even becomes a better risk-reward profile for the trade, and then we look for it down to the blue or maybe even the orange zone. We need good confirmation that this is not going to be a false breakout. A couple of things that we'll look for today here on the New Zealand dollar. One is if we see a sudden rally back above the green zone. Let's draw this out as an implied blue candle here. There we go. If it suddenly turns around and gets back above the green zone, of course, obviously we would have higher confidence that it's going to go back up to the yellow zone at the top of the chart at that point. So if sudden reversal, sudden infusion of buyers back above 68.40, you may see this go back up. The other side of that is what we're looking for a higher confidence that it's going to continue to go lower, is that we need the market to stay underneath it. So really, I'd like to see the current candle close, maybe even the next 4-hour period open and close underneath that green zone to increase my confidence that it's going to continue to go down like it did back here where both of these black circles are for the New Zealand dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.